guys, I just had to do a video on what I got for Valentine's Day. And I don't know if you can really see me or not, so I'm just going to turn my light on. And yeah, I don't know it's like bright, but yeah. Okay, but first, I got for Valentine's Day. Wow, that's like blurry for me. Okay, first thing I got for Valentine's Day is my coat. North Face coat. Oh, and before this, I'm not bragging in any kind of way or shape or form. First, I got this North Face coat. North Face coat. This number on the North Face is, this one doesn't have a number. Oh, my wrist number 550. This is just the black plain jacket. For my second one, I got this coat. That's North Face also. North Face. On the back it says it's good. Then it's just like this pink inside and then gray on the outside. Yeah, it's number on here. It's on the number on here where it is on the sleeve. 550. 550, yeah, 550. Then I got the North Face hat. Yeah, North Face hat. Then last but not least for the North Face. Wow, sorry. I got what is it called? Vest. Like this, the little vest. Wow. I wanted this one. But yeah, thank you, Mommy. And then the North Face. North Face too, yeah, but it's like a little vest and it says 550 and it's burned somewhere. 550. It's faded, yeah, 550. Then I'm gonna do a second video on what I got in my that's one of them. My bag. So yeah, see you next time on Rave. It's just gotta be me.